Well, hello there, all of my YouTube subscribers. I have some exciting news to bring to you. I have opened up YouTube memberships. Hey. I've had Patreon since the beginning of this year, 2026. I opened it up in January and it's going really well. And so I wanted to find another avenue to offer the same benefits that you could get on my Patreon. And so I thought, what better way than to just keep it all right here on this one platform and do YouTube memberships. So we have three different tier levels. So three different tier levels on here, the same as that's on my Patreon. And so you can get all of the same benefits if you join YouTube membership over here. So let me tell you what you get. If you join for the $4.99 level, which is the needle and threads level, you will get early access to each month's video tutorial and the pattern that goes along with it. So each month I come out with a new sewing pattern, and it comes out with a full-length sewing tutorial right here at my desk, as if you were just sitting right here with me and I was walking you through it. And so for the $4.99 level, you will get a digital version of each month's pattern. So I'm trying to figure out how we're going to do that, whether it's going to be I'm going to post a post with a link to download the pattern, or I also have a Google form that you need to fill out when you join that will give me your email address and I can email it directly to you. So I'm trying to figure that out so that figure out the best way to do that. But the $4.99 needle and threads level, you will get the digital sewing pattern and early access to that month's video. Now, if you wanted to bump it up a level and get something extra, the $14.99 a month level, which is equivalent to my $15 a month level on Patreon, is the sewing scissors level. And you not only get early access to the video on the 20th of each month, and the digital pattern, you also get a printed pattern mailed directly to you. So you don't have to print anything out. It just comes printed and mailed directly to you. Now, some of them are printed like on 8.5 by 11 paper. And if the pattern pieces are small enough, they just fit right on there. But if it is a large format print, you get a large A0 size formatted whatever it's called, print, full-size print from the print shop. You get that mailed to you along with the instructions for the pattern, of course, and all of that. Now, if you wanted to bump it up one more level, you would be the Sewing Studio member level at $24.99 a month, which is equivalent to my $25 a month on Patreon level. And those members have been getting all of the above. So early access to the video, early access to the PDF pattern, the printed pattern mailed to them. But every quarter they have gotten a project box, which is sneak peek what I'm working on for this month's quarterly project box. So they got one in March, they'll get one in June this month, and then September and December you will get a project box in the mail that comes with all of the items and supplies that you need to make that month's pattern. And this month's is so exciting. It is so cute. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So I wanted to offer all of those levels and all of those benefits to all of my YouTube subscribers also. So if you are interested in joining, you can click the join button wherever it may be, somewhere down there. It'll say join, and then you can choose your tier level that you would like to join at and receive all of those benefits. And I just wanted to pop on here and say thank you guys so much for watching my videos. That has just been amazing to have so many new subscribers jump on and watch all of my sewing tutorials and purchase all of my sewing patterns, and even just getting on my website and downloading the free patterns that I have available on there too. But if you've also joined my Patreon or you're going to join my YouTube membership, I really, really appreciate you guys also for supporting my channel. It just gives me a little bit of funding to continue to buy fabric, which who doesn't love that, so that I can spend time creating all of these sewing patterns for you guys. I have truly, 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 truly loved shifting gears from making all of my bags and doing production sewing all these years to now teaching so many people, thousands of people at this point, how to sew. And it's amazing because it's something that was passed down through the generations of my family. I don't know if you can see this picture back here. You can't see the whole thing, but that picture over there are my two grandmothers sitting at a table at my daughter's first birthday 25 years ago. And they were talking about sewing. And so it's just been passed down through the generations, not only of those two wonderful women there, but my great grandmother also, and my mom, me, and now my daughter, who has her website, Fifth Gen Handmade, because she's the fifth generation seamstress in our family. Now she is taking all of my sewing patterns and actually making physical items out of them and selling them at markets and online. So if you don't know how to sew and somehow you made it to this point of the video and you just want to buy one of the products from all of my sewing patterns, she's your girl. So go check her out too. But I just truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you. Just watching through one of my sewing videos is support enough. But if you just feel like you want to support a little bit more and get some benefits along the way, be sure to find that join button down there and join in the fun. Anyway, thanks you guys so much. I just, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate it so much. And let's keep going with all of these sewing patterns. They have turned out fantastic. And if you haven't already checked out my website, bythebabebagco.com, go check it out. Over there, I've got close to 60 patterns on there now. Some of them are free, some of them are $5, some are a little more expensive because they involve a little bit more planning and effort gone into them. So go check all of those out and see if there's something on there that you would like to make. Each one of them comes with a full-length sewing tutorial here on YouTube. So go check them all out, and I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye.